Across Fresno County, education makes an impact. Learning inspires students, dedicated teachers ensure success, and these stories strengthen our communities. Watch Education Matters, Mondays at 6:30 on KC24. Local news that matters. Brought to you by EECU, Chevron, and Fresno Pacific University.
Like most students attending Fresno County CTEC High School, 17-year-old Daniel Pisano is ahead of many students his age. He has clear goals and knows how to attain them.
My goal is to be, right now, the #1 welder in the U.S. And on top of that, probably creating either my own business, probably welding related, or fabrication.
Students will tell you CTEC starts preparing them for college and careers their first year of school.
It all starts in freshman year with communication, public speaking, and just teamwork, right? And then junior year, you also start to interview for internships like here, United Western. And then senior year, you actually get put into the workforce and you get the real job experience.
The Career Technical Education Charter High School offers pathways in advanced manufacturing and commercial construction. It is also a dual enrollment school with 59% of its graduating class earning their associate's degrees while completing high school. Studies are showing that students in these programs have a better success landing jobs.
I think because you're building the skill, right? You're making connections to them. Education becomes relevant all of a sudden.
CTEC has over 30 industry partners, and students are able to build relationships through showcase presentations and internships. Preston Cross, president of 4Cs Construction, has hired many CTEC graduates.
Just the preparation that they do at CTEC to make sure that they're a well-rounded individual, that they show up on time, that they have the skills they need.
19-year-old Elias Alario has been working at 4Cs for almost a year. He interned for the company during his senior year at CTEC.
This company has allowed me to feel secure in my future. I just joined an apprenticeship program to become a journeyman.
CTEC students who do not seek careers in construction and manufacturing say they have benefited from the programs. Gianna Luan graduated last year and is attending Fresno State studying biochemistry. She also works at United Western Industries, a fabrication and manufacturing company.
They saw my work ethic, and I think that paid off, because without having the internship, I never would have gotten that opportunity.
Gianna encourages young people to seek out opportunities wherever they can find them. For Education Matters, I'm Juanita Stevenson, KC24, local news that matters.